Mame ma wo akwaba emfa umbraga na nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching ebusuafo woman ya other screen is wo frɛ ne Joyce Bawa. She's the special aide to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na osan so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne wo fase na ebusuafo Joyce Bawa epeso ka kire yen se okotode ne bodwe esan se ne wofa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na oye president intino se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e de pinukra etu fema ono Joyce Bawa no behu nyansa abeka kire ye na eno na some of us ye pese ye ka kire Joyce Bawa say some of us are not gullible like some of the NDC supporters because abra His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Akuffo eye president no ono Joyce Bawa etna internet ne so throw shades akese ekotena TV so radio so eken sama kasia enim. In fact, Joyce Bawa and most of the NDC members ni bi come together pretended as if they were blind. Pretended abra His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Akuffo president no. So His Excellency John Dramani former president Nana Addo Akuffo the drones buy provide ambulance free SHS eyi akwan interchange ACC schools Joyce Bawa na NDC fo ni bi se odai te so mu ehu hwe na ende ni wo fa be ye president ni de opese obeton no ma yen Joyce Bawa kire se ni wo fa the miracle working president a kire se wiase afa na yina no ebi emba da Joyce Bawa ne ya osapone se o to kwan akosalega na o drive FR Eastern Corridor Road no so na chese da so yopo into no oba be ka kire yen se no wofa the Messiah chese ne su bi emba Ghana hada na no na ye pese ye ka kire Joyce Bawa se wanka se de ma bibi jejewo ye te Ghana ha na Nana Addo Akuffo the free SHS by provide ambulance ride after wofa John Dramani Mahama 2016 we feel so wa brana Ghana ambulance e wa ha 50 Nana Addo be provide every constituency bia will be provided one ambulance provide drones hwe mofra to aduane to school fees ye bibia de mo Joyce Bawa esi na so na do wa fa be president I was there he's the miracle working chese president into wa be ka kire adenya wa ye kwan baako na Joyce Bawa uni makwan His Excellency the former president na Addo Akuffo eye wo Ghana ha no hwe ko Western region o de fast start apemanim fa kwa sanso be for wachi ekwa for wani ekire ewo e friend say Kumasi Ashanti region His Excellency John the former president Addo Akuffo eya akwan papa udu airport runabout a ukobuo kroma because Kumasi foforo na bridge bi da ho in fact sensu to na se ufi kejeti e ba esese usi etwe nsu no na ka efibuo kroma ba na be fa moko na kejeti ade ne sanso sign it because na ekwan ne nye Nana Addo ya akwan ewo Kumasi esin president bia even though Akuffo ya vice former president Akuffo ya akwan ne so Nana Addo de no twem Nana Addo ya akwan ye interchange eye nyama kese NDC fo mu yi wani so opini a wata ye kan mo se mo ntida abra wo fa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oye president na ye 2016 no o de bibi ba ya no wo friend green book no in fact na akwan de na ebi wo mpa na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kire se waye na egu book ni mu but na exist wo Ghana ha no se John Dramani Mahama eye akwan me kai pa Nana Addo be president 2016 na okoto wo Ghana ha constituency region obedu bia ohene senya kwan enye na Nana Addo kra besides na enya His Excellency the former president John Dramani Mahama na also why Ghana kwan ina eba ne sei na wo feel so 1 month pa me koto yi mo se mo kwan ina asai na akwan ina gu green book nso mo anye in fact wo fa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama he's the worst president a Ghana yenya abro obedi president koi wasanso abe obai okọ 1 year adwumayefo odai onti omoka dollar rate na akofem omo pump sika egu system ni muse na ebe ya dollar no sidi ni benya hoden nso niam boa ya den papa won tohwe amembu in fact enkoyie free SHS from of father na now de buy na wo fa his excellency John Dramani Mahama ka kire omo se bio mo fa no mo aduane omo di kura no ne nkraman endi no ene mo fa no se bio aduane omo di kura no odi ma mbo be nkra na odi se aduane mo omo reject enyo parent ne say they are quiet because omo hwe omo mba omo ntimi me complain bi because omo abre within sa 1 year ya ye hu hwe akwan hospitals interchange edien na na do ye so Joyce Bawa uyi wani so peni e wata o se den wo fire den kwaku ayi dohu every vital region Eastern Corridor Road no okutwe bi ye hwe na ye hwe wi a na ya beti ensema Joyce Bawa enya kukuduru aba be ka kyen ga na fo se ne wofa the miracle working God na bibi jeje wo Joyce Bawa yeti
this was one of the things President Mills wanted to do for the Volta region, the Eastern Corridor Road. He was so passionate about it. After UHAS, this is what he wanted to do for Volta region. Secure the Chinese facility, pass on to glory. John Mahama takes over. The project never saw the light of day. Never saw the light of day. If today this road is looking this way, why would I not be happy? And they say, Papa, you who shouldn't say it because I'm NDC. I'm NDC, but I'm a Ghanaian, and that's the most important thing. Ghana first, Ghana first, Ghana first. President Akuffo, we thank you for giving us this. We are happy. At least I am happy, and I know many Voltarians are happy. Peter Akpenawe.
Ebusuafo ye na ye hu video anase ekwan a owura Akoko anyi dogu ekotwae e wa bra his excellency the former president Nana Akuffo Addo ede ema Voltarians a eka Eastern Corridor Road no ho no na ebusuafo sa ekwan na da ho na ase papa enso na his excellency John Dramani Mahama abeye president atwemu e na Nana Addo aba ho Nana Addo ye mo kwan ma mo sa eye fe ne say oh a region fufuri ya Nana Addo ebete wo Volta region akwan Nana Addo ye wo ho Pitamawu no constituency akwan Nana Addo ye wo ho ni na Joyce Bawa na NDC fo esi omo aso o eye se ni frafo ena do wo fa benti oye Messiah wa ye kwan nti wo nte da wo atwa e ba ya kire ebusafo mo de muma yentie nsem a Joyce Bawa ede etudwa Joyce Bawa ena okase and I quote, "Respectfully, I beg to ask this question. What manner of man is President Dramani Mahama? He's a miracle worker, right? I am wondering the manner of man President Mahama is because I witnessed and experienced a miracle today when I drove at an unbelievable speed of 60 km/h on the Nkwanta to Pesa road, which was the worst deteriorated portion of the Eastern Corridor Road. After 8 years of sufferings by motorists, including me, it was miraculous to see and experience that the mountains had been flattened and the craters and valleys had been filled on that deadly accident-prone Nkwanta to Pesa road."
Ebusia for the special aid to our Messiah, Mama is the whole cannot phantom this man anymore. So she has decided to pose a question to all of us. So let's go and then read it and then answer the question. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's forget about the intro aspect. It's for somebody special called JB. Okay, let's hit straight to the question because me, myself, body, they do me. Okay, now let's get it. This is the question. Respectfully, I want to ask this question. What manner of man is President Dramani Mahama? He is a miracle worker, right? Teacher, can I hear you? Yeah. Thank you for the confirmation. Automatic posting, allied health professional and nurses. Yajala once again, so can I hear you? Is Mama is a miracle worker, right? Oh yeah. Thank you for that confirmation. Now let's go on. Okay, let's go on. Let's proceed. I am wondering what manner of man President Mahama is, because I witnessed and experienced a miracle today when I drove on an unbelievable 60 kilometers per hour on the Nkwanta to Pasa road, which was the most deteriorated portion of the Eastern Corridor Road. Wow. This goes so deep. Ghana for me person me bisa. Send me be ya omo kasa me dem was short memory. Has NDC ever ruled this country? Is it their first time ruling this country? How long has the Eastern Corridor Road been in existence? Oh, my bad. Forgive me. I forgot. That Eastern Corridor Road only just emerged when Nanado became president. When Rawlings was president, that road was not there. When Atamils was president, that road eventually vanishing. It just vanished. When Mahama became president, that road vanished into thin air. It was never existing. It re-emerged and reappeared the moment NPP came to power under Nanado Danko Akuffo. And they have the nerves to not do it. To not do it for 8 years. And it took this, in fact, miraculous man to come to be a president for the first time in the history of NDC, coming to power, to run quickly and go and do it. And today, our queen, our most esteemed lawyer, in fact, our miraculous special aid could drive 60 kilometers per hour on that road, with this song, because he asked the question. He is a miracle worker, right? Let's have it. Waymaker, miracle worker. Hey, whoa, let me hear you. Promise keeper. Light in the darkness. Light everywhere. Darkness has vanished. Eventually our Messiah, whoa, that is who you are. Let me tell you something, NPP. You see that 13,000 kilometers of roads you have constructed. Once you didn't touch Eastern Corridor roads. No. Your deeds can never be amount to any miracle. You see that backlog of unemployment he created? Who created? No. Miracle worker. Miracle worker can never create backlog of unemployment. You see the backlog of unemployment that Nebuchadnezzar came and created and left. And you came and then you managed to absorb all of them, including myself. And we didn't do any pay us now. It was Nebuchadnezzar time that they were doing pay us now, pay us our salary. You see all those things that you have done, it can never amount you to be a miracle working government. Ghana for Matwaba. Hey, Waymaker. See how way is making. Miracle worker. See miracles everywhere. Promise keeper. See everywhere, every promise. 24-hour economy is there. And go on baby, automatic postings. Why you? So yes, our very beautiful special aid. In fact, I want to use this opportunity to thank you too. You have done well. You have aided this miracle worker very well.